Hello, everybody. My name is Nestor Hernandez, and today I'm just gonna talk about um, basically how to create a UML class diagram. And in second, okay. So for me, a UML class diagram is it's all about organization. Each part of the diagram represents something important. Um, we're going over here, we have uh, classes and are the main building block. They represent object or concept in the system. So we have a class that is business owner. We have a class that is platform. And then we have attributes. Attributes are the data that each class holds. For example, we have the business owner class. We have the attribute like name. We have business type, and we have daily task. And then after that, we have methods. Methods are the action that a class can perform. For instance, we have manage inventory, and then we have manage inventory method in the business class. And then how I read a UML diagram. Think that is something really important. Um, when I look at a UML diagram, I started by identifying the classes. Each class is represented as a rectangle with the three sections. So let me do this a little bit like assume the top we have the top section uh for this class name is like Milo, and we have, for example, this one we have web application, and then we have the middle section, and this is basically we can put all the attributes. We have the name, we have feature, right? And then in the button section list, we have all the methods. We have generic, and we have, for example, here centralized data. Um, gonna go over here. So in the example working with Sarah, uh, Sarah is a business owner who faced a challenge. So we have here the a business owner class has an attribute like a in like a and we have an attribute which is business type, and then we have the method like manage inventory, and we have the fulfill orders. She uses a platform class, so we have another a platform. We have another platform class to collect and analyze data. This platform has an attribute like name and dead points, data points, sorry. And methods, we have a method like analytics. Um, and we have the generic report. And then we have a challenge class right here. I show as a relationship with with the business owner right here. This challenge basically include silo data does not centralize it, and we have the time constraint. Um, so why UML class diagram are so useful? For me, UML diagram are like a map. They make it so much easier to understand. Uh, Everything fits together. For example, if you are for planning, they help they help me visualize how workflows happen and spot any gaps, right? And for collaboration as well, if I'm working with a team, it is much easier to explain a system using a diagram instead of just talking about it, right? So the sources that I use to create this diagram, so I use Plan Text, which is free. It's it worked by donations, I think, because right here people can donate to this platform, and it was super easy to understand and how to work over here. I use basically YouTube to trying to learn a little bit about editors, classes, and all that. I use basically as well like or uh, the what is it called? I forgot what is it called. This basically this to help us to basically the PowerPoint, sorry, the PowerPoint to kind of help me to understand a little bit about Sarah, what was her problem, and what we're trying to fix and what trying to help her, you know. And then I use this platform, UMake Class Diagram Tutorial, so it kind of it helped me to basically so kind of understand the parts, working with what is it, like the attributes, you see methods and classes and the relationships. It's kind of like what I was doing in the over here. So this is basically some of my sources that I kind of study a little bit and was looking at, and then of course I guess if I was having some trouble, I use different sources, but I think I did some of this, so kind of understand. I think it was really awesome. This is first time working so with diagrams, so it was really cool. So yeah, so this was my presentation. I hope you guys like my video and bye.